My name is Fletcher Andrews and I'm the chef owner of Fletcher's restaurant in Plymouth of 5 years, and we have gained 2 rosettes and are recognised by the Michelin Guide. So sustainability is probably one of the biggest benefactors of our short success in the 5 years we've been here. We work with local, like-minded independent suppliers that practice what we practice, sustainability. That's why we're thrilled to be working with Ocean BMW and their new generation of electric vehicles. Not only is the car practical and sustainable for business use and going around and meeting our local suppliers and producers, it's a really good family car for personal use and outside of work, and that is why we practice what we preach with being sustainable. Is we use BMW, and we not only maintain that in the restaurant, we go outside of the restaurant doors and we make sure we are sustainable outside of the restaurant. The iX2 is a really beautiful car. It's lovely to drive. Living with the electric car is convenient and practical. So I was really impressed with the 260 mile range on the BMW iX2. It gives us really good flexibility of going out and seeing our producers and suppliers in the West Country, and it makes things a lot more sustainable and a lot easier. With the iX2, what I really liked when we've done our research on the sustainability of the car is how they use recycled plastics to make the interior, and how what works well with us, because we always use sustainable practices with our fish that we buy, is all the floor mats on the iX generation are made with recycled fishing nets. And that was just a big wow factor to us, because we work with sustainable suppliers, catching sustainable fish, line caught, so we're not ruining ocean beds or the seawaters.